We've got some breaking news regarding Samsung's hottest and the most expensive devices of the year. Of course, we're talking about the Z Fold and the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Samsung is going all-out beast mode when it comes to the mass production of this year's Galaxy Z series. According to Ross Young, Samsung is producing double the number of Fold phones compared to last year, which is just absolutely incredible. This massive mass production is a sign that Samsung is aiming big things when it comes to the sale of the Galaxy Z series in 2022. And of course, for the customers, there's a win because you could see a price cut. One thing that we always wanted to see on the Galaxy Fold was a bigger outer screen, and now it seems like Samsung is finally making the right move. In response to Michael Fisher on Twitter, Ross Young mentioned that both cover and main displays of the Z Fold could get wider. Not just that, according to ISOs, the bezels are getting even more slimmer. Imagine that bezel-less main display with the under-display camera is going to look so good. Now for the design, Samsung also listened to the fans by making the Z Fold smaller and a lighter to hold. The battery for the Z Fold is sleek and it's about the same size as last year's Z Fold 3. As we know, the battery life on the Z Fold 3 is not that impressive, so a lot of people are raising this question. Will we see the same performance on the Fold 4 as well? Samsung is actually doing some internal things on hardware level that can actually make a big difference when it comes to the battery. First thing is the new super energy efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip, which is set to bring a better battery life compared to the 8 Gen 1. The second hardware thing is the actual main foldable display, which is said to be more power efficient compared to last generation. Honestly, I would have loved to see a bigger battery size. But if Samsung actually nails the optimization, then the Fold 4 is looking pretty solid now. Speaking of energy efficient foldable display, according to Ross Young, Samsung could use its Eco 2 foldable display on the Flip 4, which could reduce the power consumption by 25% and also boost the brightness by 33%. Looking at this no battery change for the Z Fold, we might not see a change for the Z Flip 4 as well. I really hope that this new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip, along with the power efficient foldable panel, together they can make a difference. But again, we'll see when these devices are out. I'm really happy to hear that the Z Fold 4 is thinner and lighter than before, but of course the battery, it is not bigger. I'll keep you guys updated with the latest news, so make sure to subscribe. Peace out.